In a world that never stops changing, recent events have left us with powerful lessons. From moments of adversity to groundbreaking achievements, every event carries a message that can shape how we think, live, and grow. But how do we make sense of it all? And more importantly, how can we apply these lessons to improve our own lives? Join me as we dive into the impact of recent events and uncover the wisdom hidden within them. Let's start by reflecting on what has happened around us in recent times. From natural disasters to economic challenges, and from inspiring innovations to movements for social change, the world has been a roller coaster. For example, think about the resilience shown during recent natural calamities. Communities came together, proving the strength of unity and the power of compassion. Or consider the rapid technological advancements. They remind us that even in uncertainty, progress and creativity can thrive. Adversity often feels overwhelming, but it teaches us some of life's most valuable lessons. Recent events remind us of three key truths. Resilience is a choice. No matter how tough the situation, humans have an incredible ability to bounce back. Whether it's a personal setback or a global crisis, resilience begins with a decision to keep moving forward. The power of community. When times are tough, we're stronger together. Communities rallying to support one another during tough times show us that unity can overcome even the greatest challenges. Adaptability is essential. Change is inevitable. The ability to adapt, whether it's embracing remote work, learning new skills, or finding innovative solutions, is what sets survivors apart from thrivers. While challenges dominate headlines, let's not forget the triumphs. Innovations in technology, healthcare, and sustainability have shown us what's possible when creativity meets determination. Take the recent breakthroughs in renewable energy, for example. They show us that addressing global issues is not only achievable but also opens doors to a brighter future. What's the takeaway here? Never stop striving for progress, even when the odds seem against you. So, how can you take these lessons and make them a part of your own life? Practice gratitude daily. Amidst all the chaos, gratitude reminds us of what truly matters. Start each day by listing three things you're thankful for. It can shift your perspective entirely. Invest in learning. In times of change, knowledge is your greatest asset. Whether it's learning a new skill, staying informed about global events, or simply picking up a book, every bit of growth adds to your toolkit. Take action, no matter how small. Big changes start with small steps. Whether it's volunteering, contributing to a cause, or working on your personal goals, every action counts. Recent events may feel overwhelming, but remember this. Every challenge is an opportunity, and every success is proof of what's possible. Your life, like the world around you, is constantly evolving. By embracing the lessons from these events, you can grow stronger, more compassionate, and more equipped to handle whatever comes next. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Subscribe to Blinkhub XYZ for more insightful stories and lessons to help you thrive in a changing world. And let us know in the comments, what's the biggest lesson you've learned from recent events?